Okay, so this kitchen was a serious labor of love. We had just moved it from one area of the house over to another, so everything needed replacing and was totally brand new. We were on a low budget, so we found these stock cabinets at Home Depot that cost us in total about $1,000 after a couple of military discounts and the discounts that they were offering at the time. And it was a screaming deal, and I was so happy with it. However, I wanted to customize them to make them a little bit more functional. So I decided I was going to extend them up quite a bit higher so that we could use that space above the cabinet, not collect dust, but also have extra storage. And just overall, the taller cabinets make a much more luxurious looking kitchen, in my opinion. So I built the boxes, I trimmed them out, and then we replaced all of the doors. I got everything painted. I built a refrigerator cabinet to house a refrigerator and make it look a little more included in the rest of the kitchen. And I could not be happier with how it turned out. I love all the added storage. I love how light and bright and clean looking it is. I am so happy with it.